To make your Apple Watch Series 9 more safer, you can attach a protective case to it. This will keep the watch and its display safe from drops and impacts, while also spicing up your wearable style. So in today's video, I will discuss the best cases for the Apple Watch Series 9. In this list, I have compiled the best available watch protective cases on Amazon, including luxury cases, rugged cases, and metallic cases. You can check the latest offer and updated pricing of every product I discussed in this video by tapping the buy link in the description. But before starting the video, I request you to subscribe to my channel for more wearable content. This is one of the most affordable luxury Apple Watch case, which not only provides safety for your watch, but also adds a luxurious look. It is adorned with over 400 handcrafted crystal diamonds to create a dazzling display. Perfect for upgrading a casual outfit or complementing a luxurious evening look. The product comes with an 18-month unconditional refund or recent policy for any quality problems, along with lifetime-friendly customer service. You can get this for a maximum of $10, and if there is an offer available, you might even get it for a lower price. Over 7,000 people have rated it, with an average rating of 4.4, indicating that it is a good product. If you prefer a rugged protective watch case for your Apple Watch Series 9, then you might want to try this one. This case does not affect the buttons and sensitivity of the watch. Its raised bezels protects the watch and absorbs shock to prevent damage. The case includes a scratch-resistant and fully adjustable built-in watch band. It is compatible not only with the Apple Watch Series 9, but also with the previous series. And it is available in more than 8 colors. However, one limitation is that it's only available for 44 and 45mm sizes. Over 45,000 people have rated it with an average rating of 4.4. It has received good reviews. You will love this if you're a fan of military sports cases. It is easy to install and provides all-around protection for the Apple Watch Series 9. Made from durable and flexible shock-proof TPU, it protects against scratches and shocks. It is compatible with wrists ranging from 5.2 to 8.46 inches and is skin-friendly, ensuring your wrist feels comfortable and relaxed no matter how long you wear it. Cutouts for the button and crown button facilitate smooth access, and there is no need to remove the case for charging. It comes with a 12-month warranty and customer support. With over 11 available colors and a rating of 4.5, it is a popular choice. This waterproof rugged case looks very compact and enhances the look of the Apple Watch Series 9. It comes with an installation guide that helps you to install it on your watch without causing any damage. It comes with an IP68 rating, and the tempered glass protector provides a smooth experience, enhancing touch sensitivity even after installation. The cutouts in it give it a nice look. It has a rating of 4.3 and I find it quite impressive. If you are into engineering style watches, then you will like this one. It comes with a case and band combo, where the case is made of stainless steel and the bands are made of rubber. It is available for various colors and materials, so you can match it with your outfit for the day. This classic design will complement your style whether you are at work, going at a party, or hitting the gym. It also comes with an installation guide. The case might seem expensive, but it is worth it. It has a rating of 4 out of 5. Some people might have issues with the band, but personally I have a great experience with it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is another luxurious rugged case. It comes in a zinc alloy case with an anti-dust soft silicone strap and tempered glass protector. It is available in 4 colors and has a rating of 4.1. It looks amazing in terms of appearance. This case is shock-proof and scratch-resistant. Its special feature is that despite being luxurious, it comes at an affordable price. The Suplink stainless steel case comes with steel bands. This is perfect even if you are in business. At first glance, it does not seem like the case and bands have been assembled separately. It looks like a perfectly classic watch. It provides all-round protection for your Apple Watch Series 9. Its precise cutout ensures a smooth experience, and its different colors makes it stylish and beautiful. It is cheaper compared to other luxury watch cases. It also has a great rating on Amazon with a 4.4 out of 5, indicating that users find this case very interesting for their Apple Watch. The case with the band we just discussed has another variant, where the stainless steel bands are replaced with leather bands on the side. This leather and steel combination looks really good. It comes in 11 different colors. If you have issues with the steel band, you can enjoy this case with leather bands. It has a rating of 4.1. There is another option available where a canvas type band is added, making it even more lightweight. You get 4 designs or colors with this option, including a military design strap. It has a rating of 4.2. So these are the best and most luxurious protective watch cases for the Apple Watch Series 9. To check the updated prices and offers for all the watch bands, you can click on the link in the description. Let us know in the comment section which one did you like the most, or if you have used any of these cases before. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.